Have you ever seen a Zulu maiden dancing while people place money on her head and wondered what it means? This beautiful tradition is part of the Zulu Umemulo ceremony, a special coming-of-age celebration held when a young woman reaches adulthood. It is a proud moment for both her family and the community. As the maiden performs traditional dances, family members, relatives, and guests place or pin money onto her headpiece or clothing. This is not done just for decoration or entertainment. The money is a symbolic gift. It represents blessings, prosperity, support, and encouragement as she begins a new stage of life. The dance itself is full of meaning. Dressed in traditional Zulu attire, the maiden dances with confidence and pride, often carrying a spear. The dance celebrates her maturity, discipline, and readiness to take on the responsibilities of adulthood while honoring the customs passed down through generations. Each step, each song, and every gift reflects the strong bond between the young woman, her family, and her community. The money placed on her head is a public expression of love, respect, and hope for a successful future. The Umemulo ceremony is more than a celebration. It is a powerful reminder of the importance of cultural identity, family values, and African heritage. What do you think about this beautiful Zulu tradition? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Embrace Africa TV for more amazing stories about African cultures and traditions.